murder, robberies, me liver tease me bun. These weed leaves from these trees, tattoos, for me girl to tease me name in the breeze. Mosquito, liver jeans, and all these. Alive? Did we just...
Right.
What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Guys, me never know me start. But since we started, make we just deal with it. Dave, Starlight, reaction. This is where we are. This is what we're doing. And this is how it's gonna go. Let's go. Let's go straight in. Let's go straight in. Let's go straight in. Make myself Dave, Santander, make myself a J. Let's go.
It's hard to hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with a phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death vibe.
This guy's just different, bro.
It's hard to hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with a phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death vibe. 5 eyes, 5 potential wifey. In the street, respected.
This guy play on words. It's like none other, brother. The man just play upon words for days. Let's just like, yo, I'm just play upon this because I can. Fuck it. Let's just do it.
For death, 5 eyes, 5 potential wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. I do know my man, but I don't trust him. Trust that bees in the trap, disgusting. Stick with a stick, PVA, PDA. Kiss that in public, South London.
Dave is one of those artists where when Dave spit, a lot of things fly over my head. So, this is where I need you guys in the comment section helping me the fuck out. Come on, know what I want? Me know what I want? Bro.
5 eyes, 5 potential wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. I do know my man, but I don't trust him. Trust that bees in the trap, disgusting. Stick with a stick, PVA, PDA. Kiss that in public, South London. Why I made my South London's why I made my first 100 elastic bands, plastic bags, 2 in the blue like cheese and onion. In Jamaica, quick vacation, traveling my pastime. Enough pollution in it.
I'm to traveling and pastime, brother. The man trying for the Jamaica, quick vacation, traveling and pastime, brother. Like pastime. I wish traveling could be my pastime. Yeah. I wish traveling could be my pastime.
In Jamaica, quick vacation, traveling my pastime. Enough pollution in the ends. I flew back York, I wanna see Starlight. Eritrean skin tone sentiment, I think I found my princess. My empress still gonna impress. I know them man talking a kid, but it's hard to hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with a phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death, 5 eyes, 5 potential wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. Any girl that I'm dating knows bags that I buy come filled with 50s. She a 10 out of 10 on a bad day. Public.
Man say any girl in my date no say any bag when buy come with 50, it's full up of 50. So him do buy the bag for couple thousand or 5-10,000, whatever you buy it for, and put be a 50 pound note tonight. Sometimes me have couple sister in the dog. Me have couple sisters still, you see it. Me just sell one of them. I'm joking. What the fuck, bro? I'm joking, dog.
Right.
I joke of it, man.
In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. Any girl that I'm dating knows bags that I buy come filled with 50s. She a 10 out of 10 on a bad day. Public affection, I tell her come kiss me.
10 out of 10 on a bad day. So for a good day, you what, mama? You what? Public affection, me tell her come kiss me. Come suck up my tongue, baby. Come suck up my tongue. Come give me a French kiss.
50s. She a 10 out of 10 on a bad day, public affection. I tell her come kiss me. I like mine obsessed, clingy. If she don't miss me, miss me. If she don't miss me.
Man say like him woman obsessed and clingy. No, I don't like my woman obsessed and clingy and blood clot. I want to go out with my friend them. I want to do what me I do. I want to make she go out with her friend them and do. If she don't miss me, miss me. That part they can go still. Yeah. If me gone somewhere, if me manage to take a vacation and she don't miss me, then miss me, bitch. She miss somebody else, bitch, miss me. But the clingy part, no, man. When me out on the road, you call me, baby, you then, no, don't call me a bumbo clap. Me gone out to my friend them.
What did he say?
When you hear your friend them gone out, me not call you. Me not call you. So you call me fam. No. Not on this, no, do it. I don't like it. I don't like a clingy girl, man. I don't like it.
I like mine obsessed, clingy. If she don't miss me, miss me. If she don't miss me, history. If she don't miss me, it's a mystery. G17 in the party, tipsy. Don't drink, that's risky. Focus, show's gonna land like Disney. I'm putting down under Sydney. That's big, I'll donate both my kidneys. True love, what the kid needs. And a girl from the West Indies. I know them man talking the kid, but it's hard to hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with a phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death, 5 eyes, fires, perpetual wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. In this world that I'm in, you wanna take pics with the belts in the ring, but don't help in the gym. Enough girls dating their biggest haters. How
you wanna take pics with the belt in the ring, but you don't want to take you know, I'm going to the gym, go do the hard work. Basically, man tell you, say, yo, you want link me or meet me, or in general, you want to be with somebody when somebody make it, and when time they never that make it, you wasn't there. Where were you? Where were you? You never did it. You never did it. And then he turn around and say, enough girl, basically link with them enemy. I don't know why. Let me read that part again.
Pics with the belts in the ring, but don't help in the gym. Enough girls dating their biggest haters. How a boyfriend don't want her to win.
Enough girl. Get it. Somehow no blood clot, man. No. Full the time. Oh, you there with that girl? And you try control her, you try hold her back. You know what? She fi win, brother. You stop the girl progress, bro. Make she go and be progressive. Make she be independent, dog. That's what the G has said. So, you secretly a hold her down. You are a hater, bro. You are a hater. That is my message to you from Dave. Move on the blood clot. That is my message. Yeah.
Don't help in the gym. Enough girls dating their biggest haters. How a boyfriend don't want her to win. Alright, rare. I want my girlfriend never wanna see me have a good time out if she ain't there. Yeah.
That you want, brother? You sure you want that?
Don't help in the gym. Enough girls dating their biggest haters. How a boyfriend don't want her to win. Alright, rare. I want my girlfriend never wanna see me have a good time out if she ain't there.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You want a psycho to blood clot. David? You want a psycho girl? You say true, me no want a psycho girl, brother. Me want my girlfriend want me to go enjoy myself. Me no want you, she like me said earlier on, you call me. No, call me. Me phone up on airplane mode. Me there. Me go fishing. Me gone with my friend them, gone do something. Me gone play ball. Me gone play game. Me gonna play Call of Duty. Yeah, me a play GTA. Me no want your blood clot miss me. Not that much. Your handbag? Your knapsack bag? No, baby. You're supposed to be independent enough to have your friend them coming and interrupt when you and your friend them. I go, Dave, what kind of girl you want, brother?
Alright, rap. I want my girlfriend never wanna see me have a good time out if she ain't there.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
You're mad blood clot, man, Dave. You're mad blood clot, man. Dave, you're mad, you know? Dave, you're mad. You're crazy. You're cool, brother. I can't that you want for real, my G.
Alright, rap. I want my girlfriend never wanna see me have a good time out if she ain't there.
God must be playing a trick on me. Oh my God. I said I was going to see you and then I see you and now I'm looking at...
No, Dave. No, me can't get past the part here, Dave. David? You right it, brother? Eh? Brother, you know what you say? Dog, you want your girlfriend... No, sir. Listen, you know what? No, skip past the part there.
No. Wait.
To the moon, let me get some space. See them stars on a private story. I dust that chick, she got no grace. See her X-Men, she got no taste. Hip dip, she got no waist. Body snatch, serving face. Hold my hand, personal trainer. Frequent flyer, bad, she tone and tan. Free my gang, 013s and 020s. Oh God knows I miss my bros. I just got a call from Joe on the phone and that man.
David, blood clot David. You know what you ask for, brother? You want your girlfriend to... Yo, G, listen. Guys, this is Jamaica lead on a day pick up a blood clot self. You know how the cycle girl and what you want. If you can't handle them, then so be it. I cannot handle it. I don't want it. I don't like stress. When I get stressed, I get migraine. When I get migraine, I go to sleep. When I go to sleep, I don't know what is going on around me.
You feel me?
Man, what the is you talking?
That is it. And sleep is next to death, cousin. I don't want to be sleeping. No, I want to be awake. Me don't want to get stress me out. Me can't run enough. Me can't run. Me have asthma. Me can't run on nobody. So me don't want nobody miss me like that. No. Cause when she fuck on you, you go hurt, you go lick your chip, you go ball out. Why? That is it. This is where I'm gonna leave the one there. If you enjoyed the one, please leave a like on the video. If I made you laugh, leave a like. You know what I think? Alright, that's how we there. Peace.